In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Zoho Mail. Whether you're looking to set up a business email or simply want a personal email account, Zoho Mail offers a streamlined process to get you started. So let's dive in and get your Zoho Mail account up and running. First things first, open your preferred web browser. For most people, this might be Google Chrome, but any browser will work just fine. In the search bar, type in Zoho Mail and hit enter. This should bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Zoho Mail website, which is typically one of the top results, and click on it to proceed to the main page. Once you're on the Zoho Mail homepage, you'll be presented with an option to choose between setting up a business email or a personal email. This choice is important as it will tailor the sign-up process to your specific needs. If you're setting up Zoho Mail for professional purposes, select the business email option. Alternatively, if this is for personal use, go ahead and choose the personal email option. Both options will guide you through a similar process, but with slight variations to cater to business-oriented features if that's what you selected. Now that you've made your choice, it's time to fill out the required fields. This typically includes entering your name, desired email address, password, and other relevant personal information. Ensure that all the details are correct and the password is strong yet memorable. Zoho places a strong emphasis on security, so crafting a secure password is crucial. After you've completed all the fields, you'll need to verify your account. Zoho Mail will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. This step is important as it helps to secure your account and verify your identity. Keep an eye on your phone, and once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field on the sign-up page. And there you have it. Once your information is verified, you're all set up and ready to start using Zoho Mail. You can now explore its features, whether that's managing emails, setting up filters, or utilizing any of the productivity tools that come with your new account. I hope this guide has made the sign-up process clear and easy to follow. Enjoy the benefits of Zoho Mail and all it has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!